Hey, hello guys. I'm back. Eddie's Knockout Thai food. So today we're gonna make fried rice. So very easy menu to make, really healthy, and let's get to it. So we got rice, jasmine brown rice. Get that from Costco or Asian Market or Walmart. Pretty much you can get it anywhere. We got some veggies, mixed veggie. You can get it from any grocery store as well. Got some organic eggs. I love garlic, and we got some chicken breast. And the ingredients, we got some soy sauce here. Use like a couple teaspoons or tablespoons. That'd be fine depending on how how you like it. Okay, so we're gonna show you in a second. This is my main ingredients to make fried rice. All right, let's move to the cooking station so we can show you how to do it. Hello guys. Now I'm gonna start making fried rice. Okay, chicken fried rice. Garlic in there first. I already preheated my pan, my wok. I'm using Recusette wok cast iron. Love it. So just have to watch the heat. I'm using low heat to medium. Okay. So now the garlic start to turn the color. Just gonna add the chicken. I chop it up, small piece. So it make it faster to cook. All right. So now I'm gonna add some little soy sauce. Yummy. Smell very good right now. Smell yummy. It's pretty easy to make fried rice. You can add whatever vegetable you want, or what type of meat you want. This time I'm using mixed vegetable. Frozen one, just defrost it, and then you can use it. And I have jasmine brown rice. So very healthy, really yummy. I love jasmine rice, especially brown rice. Now I'm gonna add some eggs. Okay. Now we're gonna wait until the eggs cook. All right. A little soy sauce, a little bit more. The good thing about cast iron pan is the whole pan is evenly hot, so it's not just one spot that hot or hotter or less hot, but the whole thing is just evenly distributed heat. That's why I like it. Now I'm gonna add some rice, a little more soy sauce, and some veggie. Okay, we're gonna let it stay for a while. Gonna cover with the lid, and that give it, a couple minutes, and it's done.